In this video, I'll show you how to sign out of Google Photos on a Samsung phone. So if you open up Google Photos and press on your profile in the top right, there's no actual sign out button. So what you need to do instead is remove the Google account from your phone that's associated with the Google Photos. So to do that, press the drop down arrow just to the right of your email address, which should give you these three options. You want to tap on Manage Accounts on this device. From here, it'll open up a list of all the different accounts you have. You want to locate the Google account where your Google Photos is signed into and tap it. And then press Remove Account. And then remove once more. Press OK. And then if we open up our Google Photos, you should be logged out. So if we tap on the top right, it should ask us to sign in again, and there we go. So if you found this useful, please like and subscribe.